Today we're gonna order at Taco Bell. Taco Bell it is. Taco Bell, delicious. Taco Tuesday. Sometimes you can't have Keto Chow for every meal and you want something quick, so you head over to Taco Bell. If you have to eat out, Taco Bell still has a couple of options that you can order. Usually when I'm here, I order 3 tacos and just have them put it on a plate, and it works out really well. So that's good. One thing I do that I have to do even before I get to the drive-thru is tell myself if they mess up my order, I will not eat that tortilla. I will throw it in the trash can. It is not mine. I'm going to go ahead and get myself a Power Bowl today. I've never got one, but I'm so excited because you can just select what you want in it instead of saying what I want out of it. Typically with keto, it's so frustrating because you're like, I don't want this, I don't want croutons, I don't want this, I don't want a tortilla, I don't want all these things, but this is nice because I can say what I want in it, and then they can just give me what I want. I'm gonna get grilled chicken, sour cream, guacamole, lettuce, tomato, and I'm gonna enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what restaurant you want me to go to next.